Utah this evening into a stunning kidnapping case in one American suburb. This little girl, just 5 years old, in the arms of her mother there after a harrowing ordeal. Police say in the early morning hours, the parents wake up and hear the kidnapper in the house. Tonight here, the 911 call and the one parent who then chased the kidnapper. Here's ABC's Brandy Hitt.
There was a man in my home, and he took my 5-year-old daughter.
It's every parent's nightmare. Stephanie Holiday Edson calling 911 right after catching a man trying to abduct her daughter.
This just happened. Please hurry.
It was 4:30 in the morning. Police say the man entered the Edson Sandy, Utah home through an unlocked door, grabbing the little girl as she slept in her basement bedroom, carrying her out the front door.
As he was exiting the home through the front door, some noises were made that awoke the parents.
We heard the front door open. I heard her talking.
The girl's stepfather rushing outside, confronting the man carrying his daughter across the front lawn. Police say the suspect then dropped the child and ran off.
He looked like he's still dressed and everything. Oh my God.
Canine units moving in, finding the man, 48-year-old Troy Morley, in a neighbor's home. He had entered that house through the dog door. Morley is behind bars tonight, booked on child kidnapping and burglary charges.
It was a bit of a miracle that occurred this morning that allowed the mom and the stepfather here to wake up in time to rescue this child.
The case reminding many of Elizabeth Smart, who was taken from her bedroom 12 years ago and rescued in the same neighborhood. The Edson family back home tonight relieved this abduction was stopped in the nick of time. Brandy Hitt, ABC News, Los Angeles.